Getting the OnStream app on an iPhone is not as straightforward as a normal App Store download, and it comes with important security notes. First, it's crucial to know that OnStream is not available on the official Apple App Store. This means you must use alternative methods, which require you to change your phone's security settings. The most common method is to use a third-party app installer like TuTuApp or Scarlet. To do this, you will need to use the Safari browser on your iPhone to visit the website for one of these services and download their installer. After the installer is on your phone, you must go to your iPhone settings, navigate to General, then to VPN and Device Management. Here, you will find the profile for the new installer and you must tap Trust to authorize it. Once the installer is trusted, you can open it, search for OnStream, and download the app. Please be aware that downloading apps from outside the App Store carries risks, including potential malware and stability issues. These apps are also often revoked by Apple and may stop working. A safer alternative is to see if you can access the OnStream service directly through the Safari web browser on your iPhone, avoiding the need to download an app altogether. Use these methods with caution.